Hello, my dear children. So, now be ready for reading of U vowel phrases. Okay? As earlier we have learned about U vowel sound words. So, today we will read sentences of U vowel words. Okay? So, we start. Let us read. A pup. A pup. Are you watching? Who is he? It is a pup. A pup. A pup ran. A pup ran. A gun. What is this? A gun. A big gun. How is the gun? A big gun. Now what is this? A rug. A rug. And how is the rug? A red rug. A red rug. Okay, now come here. What is this? A bus. A bus. And how is this bus? A big bus. A big bus. So, my dear children, you will also read this like me. Okay? So, read it.